Do you know what's funny is when I pet her ears, she yawns.
Hey, guess what's funny about this? I was so sleepy.
Yeah, you pet her, she yawns.
Yeah, I was so sleepy.
You want to be petted? You want me to pet you some more?
It's like, yeah. You know what's funny about this? Ship. It just got into a teleporter and go back and got the soul trap in.
That's
Bing
cool, Patrick. That's a
bong.
good drawing.
Look. Bing bong.
You want to be petted? Yeah, you want to be petted? No, you don't want to make me. You don't want me to make you yawn.
Would be